This strawberry watermelon chicken salad absolutely screams summer with pops of pink and red summer fruit showing through the bright green pesto and lettuce. And it looks as good as it tastes. When the weather is warm and you're trying to avoid heating up the kitchen, this salad makes mealtime a breeze. Loads of basil, fresh watermelon, and strawberries make the perfect summer afternoon recipe. The secret to any salad is having contrasting and complementary flavors. When you have two contrasting flavors, each helps bring out the other. For example, the bright acid taste from the lime juice against the sweetness of the fresh fruit adds depth. The tang of the garlicky basil pesto atop the shredded chicken adds a savory touch. And the bed of fresh lettuce it all rests on adds texture and crunch for a light but super satisfying dish. Whether you prepare this salad as a starter for a dinner party, a light lunch, or just as a treat for yourself at home, you'll be glad you did.